Today, we are going to grow an orange plant using an amazing technique. Don't miss any step and make sure to follow till the end. This is the result of my experiment. I successfully grew an orange plant using an orange fruit itself. You can see healthy branches growing from the top and strong roots growing from the bottom. I used aloe vera and Coca Cola in this process. Now let me show you the complete step-by-step method. First of all, I selected fresh and healthy oranges. Choosing good quality fruit is very important for better results. Then, I used fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera helps in root development and protects the plant from fungal infections naturally. After that, I poured Coca Cola into a glass. Coca Cola contains sugar, which helps activate growth in the early stage. Next, I carefully cut the orange from the top. This allows the branches to grow easily. After cutting, I applied aloe vera gel on the top part of the orange. This helps stimulate branch growth. On the bottom side, I also applied aloe vera to support root formation. Then, I placed the orange on top of the glass so that the lower part touches the Coca Cola. After placing the orange, I covered it with a plastic bag to maintain humidity and moisture. Now, patience is very important. I kept it in a warm place and waited for 20 days. After 20 days, you can see new branches growing from the top and healthy roots growing from the bottom. The experiment was successful. Finally, I transferred the orange plant into a pot with soft soil. This will help the plant grow stronger and healthier. If you like this experiment, please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more plant growth experiments.